Good afternoon, fellow students. My name is Carlos Maestres. The topic for discussion is Employees Wellness Program. Objectives: educate employees about the pros and cons, the steps needed for implementation, show results from other organizations. And one of the pros I think an organization can benefit from is morale. Employee wellness program can boost office morale and employees' relationship. You are bringing employees together in interest groups with those who share their passion. Changing how your employees interact and support one another can translate to a more supportive and positive work environment overall. And one of the cons I think is cost. The cost of employee wellness program is something that every employer must consider. Obviously, inviting an on-site building or a gym or bringing in nutritionists will cost money. Some of the wellness employees you bring in can be paid a salary like other employees, but facilities will need upfront cash in order to begin building. For me, implementation, there are 3 steps. Number 1, developing communication strategies for leaderships and employees. Number 2, obtaining resources such as staff, equipment, or vendors contracts to provide programming services. And finally, number 3, establishing data and informatic systems for program planning and evaluation. Show results from other organizations. So basically, you want to compare your results to organizations, similar to what you guys are doing. So if you work in a nonprofit sector, you want to compare your results to that industry. Establish which wellness program is best for the organization. Keep track of the program's positives and negatives. Establish wellness program vary greatly from company to company, even branch to branch. Depending on the culture and needs of a business, anyone in a company, whether middle management or entry level, can be the champion organizer of the wellness program. Keep track of the program's positives and negatives. So basically you want to keep track of all the positives and all the negatives. That way you can compare your results to other organizations, similar to your industry. The benefits of a wellness program. Weight reduction. I think that's the number one reason people want to join a program like this, because they want to lose weight. Improve physical fitness. People want to look better and want to feel better about themselves. So by losing the weight, you improve your physical fitness. Increase stamina. That way, if employees feel like he's always tired, but you'll see the results when they join this program, that the stamina increase. Lower level of stress. I know a lot of employees, they get stressed out because they have to work long hours or because they have deadlines to meet, but the reason is because they're not eating better, so they're not functioning properly. But by running every day and joining a program like this, that you see that the lower level of stress is decreasing. Increase self-esteem. So if you follow the first 4 categories: weight reduction, improve physical fitness, increase stamina, lower level of stress, the end result is increased self-esteem. That's what everybody wants. They want to increase the self-esteem. I know that's what I want. Increase well-being. So you'd be more educated and more proactive, and you want to not only help yourself, you want to help others, to be better and to feel better about themselves. reason for creating a wellness program. Disease and obesity. This is a major issue now in America. There's a lot of, children, adults, that are obese, and I mean, right now this is a big epidemic in America now. There's a lot of overweight people, overweight children, kids, and I mean, a program like this will help not only employees but a lot of people in America living a healthier lifestyle. I mean, I think that's one of the main reasons people want to join a program like this, because they want to live a healthier lifestyle. Decrease healthcare costs. Employees, by implementing a program like this, the end result, I mean, healthcare costs, they see that the healthcare costs decrease because they have a lot of employees that join the program, and a lot of employees are not getting sick. They're healthier, so I mean, the end result, healthcare costs is decreasing, which is good for for the employer. Expand work week. A lot of employees will want to work late now, or late hours, because they feel better. They have more energy. They boost up, so they want to work more hours. Increase productivity. Employees want to see that their product is is being created properly, and I think that's why what's one of the main reasons an employer want to create a program like this, because they want their product to be visible and marketable. Improve employees' relations. So basically is an employees won't be shy about their weight, and they feel better about themselves, and they won't be scared about talk to middle management about any issues regarding their work week, or balancing wellness program and employees' privacy. Sharing employees' data to third-party organizations. How is the information protected? Disclosure of personal health information. This is a major issue in this, implementing this program. I mean, the program is good overall, but you don't want to share employees' information to nobody. I mean, this is very confidential information. If you know that employees have cancer, AIDS, or some kind of disease, you don't want to share that information with nobody. I mean, nobody should have access to that information. Not even the HR department, not even the director, CEO. Only person to have access for this information is the individual that that's in the program, and the individual's evaluator or coach. But other than that, you shouldn't share employees' information with nobody, to a third party. And you're gonna make sure the employees, sign off on either on disclosure form. That way, the company can protect themselves for any, liability or legal lawsuits. So thank you, fellow students, and I hope you like my presentation. I'm looking forward for any feedback. So thank you and have a blessed day.